I have so much to catch you guys up on, so let's spend the day together. Let's go to the gym. I just put a really random outfit on today, but I'm hoping I have a jacket downstairs. And then I just made my bed. I'm in a rush because I took so long trying to pick out an outfit. I've just got in the car. I'm now waiting for my car to warm up. I'm actually quite lucky because I usually have to defrost the car, but this morning I don't. So it must have obviously not been as cold last night. But I was going to be going with my friend Alex, but she just said that she's not going to come. She's going to go to the gym after school now. So I'm going on my own this morning. But I'm just going to do cardio. I'm just going to wait for my car to heat up, and then I'm going to go to the gym because I'm not in a rush now, whereas before I was in a rush to go with Alex for a bit before she then leaves. I've just messed up big time. I just realised I've left my Apple Watch at home. I don't even know what to do. It is now 7:45. I just got my Apple Watch, so I'm going to go back now. I'm back and I have got this blanket on, but that's because I'm freezing from literally just walking from the door to my car. I'm now going to go to Aldi to get my ingredients. I did about 45 minutes, so that was quite good. It usually looks nicer than this, so please ignore that, but my breakfast was overnight Biscoff Weetabix and they taste so good every time I have them. Anyways, this was me shredding up the chicken as I was then meal prepping my lunches. So this was a barbecue chicken and pepper bagel that I was making, and this was like the filling of it. It tasted so good. I'm now going to get in the shower. I was going to wash my hair, but I'm kind of running low on time. Well, I'm not, but like I want to save as much time as I can to work. I have put this top on. I got this top last week or the week before I went shopping. So I'm just going to do my makeup now and then I can start filming. The reason I'm doing this 75 medium is purely because I would like to better myself in everything that I do. Because yes, I did used to go to the gym, but I wasn't pushing myself. So I want to push myself, drink more water, sleep better, everything like that, and exercise even more. And eat better. That is one of my big things, because I would usually snack quite a lot. And this is not down to anything to do with my baking at all. I'm still going to be trying recipes and stuff like that. So today, when I make my recipes, I'll be trying a little bit, but I'm not going to have a lot because I actually haven't eaten sugar. So today is Thursday. I started on Monday. I have not had anything, like no sugar, like no chocolate sweets, nothing like that at all. The only snacks I've had is fruit. So I'm going to be trying a little bit, but not a lot, because I really want to push myself this time and make it like a goal for me to just feel better about myself. But that's just my choice. No one else has to do it. I'm just going to be taking you guys along my journey, especially over on TikTok. So make sure, if you don't follow my TikTok to see what I get up to during my 75 medium. I'm all ready now. I've just done my makeup. This is what it looks like. I didn't do too much. My hair is done, so I'm going to quickly change my bottoms because I actually have my pajama bottoms on right now. Also guys, quick question. What is everyone's New Year's resolutions? Because obviously this is like my first vlog of 2025, so I haven't asked anyone their New Year's resolutions. Obviously you probably already know mine from what I've just said. But what is all of your guys? Comment down below your New Year's resolutions and I will look through all of them. Little update for everyone. I've literally just taken it's taken me 15 minutes probably to do the first part of the cinnamon rolls. So I quickly did that, and then now I'm just about to go to the co-op to pick up some mini eggs for my other recipe. So I'm going to get them now, and then a few other bits that Mum wants me to pick up for dinner. First lot of mini eggs of 20 pounds. Let's get 2 of these. Oh god, I've just taken it down. I made a little bit of a mistake when I was in there, when I was getting the mini eggs, because I just bought the ones, well I didn't actually buy them in there, I changed it, but I picked up the smaller packs. I was going to buy 3 and that was going to be like £6, and I looked over and there was the family pack, which was only £4.85, so I thought that's got more than enough that I need and it's cheaper. So I bought that instead, and then some rice and some other bits for dinner. Now I'm going to go home and I'm going to have my lunch because I'm getting a bit hungry now, and I'm really excited for my lunch. I'll show you guys it. Here is my lunch. Like I said, it was amazing. But anyways, after my lunch, I then focused on filming the baking. So this was a mini egg chocolate cake in the slow cooker and then cinnamon rolls. And I tried a tiny bit of both and they were both amazing. I just wish I could have eaten some more. Cinnamon rolls are nearly done. I'm just making the icing for it, which is just cream cheese, butter and icing sugar. And then I can put that on top. That chocolate cake was so good, but I was literally only allowed one bite of it. But definitely one of the best bites of anything. You like forget how good it actually is until you have it again after not having it for a while. I have just finished filming the cinnamon rolls, so they look like this at the minute. But I'm going to take one out and show you guys how good they look. I'm not going to have any more. I had a bite of it when I was filming it, but I'm not going to have any more with you guys now. Usually I would, but change. I'm changed, guys. This is them. They look incredible and they taste amazing. The dough is perfect. Look at the bottom, like it's all caramelized. Listen. And at the top, let me see if I can get it from the top. Can you hear it's hard? That is from the sugar. Guys, if you're not doing the 75 medium, hard, soft, whatever, and you're actually not restricting yourself with what you're eating, make these and make the mini egg slow cooker chocolate cake. That is probably one of the best things I've ever had. I don't even really like chocolate cake. The mini eggs just make it 10 times better. I absolutely love mini eggs. Now, I need to clear up and wash up. And I don't think I'm doing much else, to be honest. I think I'm just going to have a chill evening because I've had quite a few non-chill evenings. I might do that tonight. Mum's made dinner. I'm not a massive fan of it. Thai green curry. I'm not a massive fan, no, but I'll give it a try. So, dinner. I ate half of it because I wasn't a fan. It was really spicy as well. So instead, I've made myself a fruit salad. 6 strawberries, 1 banana, 1 orange, and that's it. So I'm going to eat this and watch some more Netflix. Then I need to go back downstairs and meal prep my protein pancakes for my next few breakfasts. Just going to my pyjamas and I'm about to take off my makeup. It's now 10:40. I have done, let's see how many steps, 9,912. So I might just walk around my room a bit to get to 10,000 and go through my 75 medium rules with you guys, just so you all know what I'm kind of doing. The rules are 70,000 steps a week because I don't want to push myself to 10,000 steps a day, because for me I find that quite hard because I'm not someone who would get that many steps in a day. Next one, 5 workouts a week, which for me I was kind of doing anyway, but I was doing more 4 a week, so now I'm pushing myself to do 5. No alcohol, only on special occasions. So special occasions will include Brooke's birthday, and I don't drink that much anyway, so that's not an issue for me either. Drink 2 litres of water a day. Again, that's not an issue because I usually will drink about that much anyway. My Stanley is the best way to help drink more water. And the next one is meal prep food and no snacks. So I will only have fruit as snacks if I ever have a snack. But to be honest, I'm only having like 1 snack a day at the minute. I'll meal prep my breakfast and my lunch, and then Mum will meal prep dinner. 1 cheat meal a week. So when I'm filming this today, tomorrow I'm going to be having my cheat meal because I'm going out for dinner. Fitness journal and colouring every day, which I'm just about to do, so I'll show you guys that. Make my bed every morning, as that's something that I want to get into as like to stay consistent with doing, because I never make my bed in the morning, which is so bad, but I always forget. Then the last one is progress pictures every week, which is just for me to look at to see my progress, to see how I'm getting on. That is all of my rules. And then now I'm going to quickly show you my wellness journal and my colouring. This is the wellness journal, and I've been writing in it over the last few days. Here, so I'm just going to fill out Thursday. This is my colouring book. I'm just going to do the carrot and the pepper. It's food, drinks and sweets. Put off TikTok shop. Here is how my carrot and pepper turned out. It's actually really cute. I really like this book. I'm now going to head off to sleep. That is the end of the video, guys. If you liked it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos just like this one, and make sure to comment down below what your goal for 2025 is. Bye guys.